Hi viewers, this is RJ Law Consultant. As you aware, we make videos on different countries, visa and immigration categories. So here we are today. We bring for you Luxembourg, your guide to Luxembourg work visa updates and in-demand jobs for 2025. Viewers, Luxembourg is a land of opportunity, attracting top global talent with its thriving economy and innovative industry. In 2025, the Grand Duchy continues to raise the bar, offering exactive new development for job seekers. Luxembourg is setting the stage for an exciting 2025 with major updates aimed at attracting global talent. This European economic powerhouse is expanding its job market with revamped visa policies, a growing list of in-demand professions, and streamlined application process. Here's what you need to know to tap into these opportunities and build a rewarding career in Luxembourg. Key changes to Luxembourg's work visa policies. Number 1. Lower EU Blue Card salary threshold. Luxembourg has reduced the annual salary threshold for EU Blue Card applicants to €58,968, making it easier for highly qualified skilled professionals to apply. This update is a boon for individuals seeking opportunities in technology, finance, and engineering. Number 2. Digitalize work visa processing. In 2025, all work and resident permit applications will be fully digitalized through the Ministry of Interior. This transition simplifies the application process and speed up approvals. Number 3. Expanded seasonal work visa eligibility. Seasonal work visa now cover additional industries, including renewable energy and tourism development. This change supports Luxembourg's expanding sector and creates opportunities for temporary workers in innovative fields. In-demand professions and jobs in Luxembourg for 2025. Luxembourg's economy continues to thrive in IT sector, biotechnology and environmental services, creating opportunities for skilled professionals. Below is an overview of key professionals shaping the job market, including their average salary ranges. Information technology. Roles such as UX, UI designers, and cybersecurity experts are highly sought after. Professionals in these areas can expect salaries ranges from 70,000 to 200,000 euros depending on experience and specialization. Biotechnology, biotech researchers, and genomic data sciences are at the forefront of innovation. Salary packages typically range between 90,000 to 160,000 euro annually. Environmental sciences. Sustainability consultants and environmental consultants are instrumental in Luxembourg Green Initiative, earning between 60,000 to 130,000 euros. Renewable energy. Engineers focusing on renewable energy solutions and smart grids command salaries of 70,000 to 130,000 euros, driven by the shift to sustainable power. Financial technology. Fintech specialists and blockchain developers are in high demand, with salaries spinning from 90,000 to 160,000 euros. Artificial intelligence. Machine learning specialists and AI ethics experts are pioneering advancement in technology, earning between 75,000 to 110,000 euros. Other emerging sectors. Roles such as electric vehicle infrastructure engineers and circular economy strategists reflect Luxembourg's commitment to innovation, offering salaries between 80,000 to 140,000 euros. Luxembourg's expanding job market demonstrates its commitment to driving growth through technology and sustainability. Whether you are an IT expert or an environmental advocate, there are opportunities to excel in this vibrant European hub. Let's discuss visa options to work in Luxembourg. Explore diverse visa options to work in Luxembourg, including the EU Blue Card, Salaried Work Visa, and Seasonal Work Visa for 2025. EU Blue Card. The EU Blue Card is aimed at highly qualified professionals from non-EU or EEA countries, offering access to high-demand sectors like IT, finance, and engineering. It allows individuals to live and work in Luxembourg with a competitive salary. Key requirements: minimum salary of €58,968, recognized university degree or 5 years of professional experience, valid job offer in Luxembourg. Salaried work visa. The salaried work visa is for non-EU EEA nationals who have secured a valid employment contract in Luxembourg. It's suitable for workers in diverse industries including healthcare, logistics and manufacturing. Key requirements: employment contract from a Luxembourg employer, proof of relevant qualification and experience, temporary stay authorization from Luxembourg authorities. Number 3. Seasonal work visa. The seasonal work visa is designed for short-term employment in sectors such as agriculture, tourism, and renewable energy. It provides opportunities for workers to address Luxembourg's seasonal labor demands. Key requirements: employment contract for a maximum of 6 months, proof of accommodation during the employment period, health insurance coverage. Number 4. Highly skilled professional visa. Luxembourg welcomes niche professionals with advanced expertise in areas like AI, biotechnology, and sustainability. This visa facilitates access to roles that drive innovation and economical growth. Key requirement: valid job offer in a specialized field, advanced qualification or certifications, competitive salary aligned with industry standards. Number 5. Startup Entrepreneur Visa. Entrepreneurs aiming to launch innovative business in Luxembourg can apply for this startup visa. It supports individuals with scalable ideas and the potential to contribute to the economy. Key requirements: comprehensive and viable business plan, proof of initial funding or investment, potential for economic impact and job creation. Number 6. Intra-company transfer ICT visa. The ICT visa allows employees of multinational companies to transfer to Luxembourg for managerial or specialized roles. It offers a smooth process for temporary assignments. Key requirements: employment with the parent company for at least 6 months, transfer to a managerial or expert role in Luxembourg, valid work contract and proof of professional expertise. Step-by-step guide to applying for job and visas. Number 1. Research in demand jobs. Use platforms like ADEM and Gushit.lu. Number 2. Prepare your documents. Include a CV, cover letter, proof of qualification and references. Number 3. Apply for jobs. Use job portals, recruitment agencies or company websites. Number 4. Obtain a temporary stay authorization. Submit your application online via Gushit.lu. Apply for a Type D visa. After approval, visit a Luxembourg consulate or embassy. Arriving in Luxembourg, register at a local administrative office within 3 days. Complete our medical examination and apply for a resident permit within 3 months. Ready to explore Luxembourg? With its forward-thinking policies and vibrant economy, Luxembourg is a prime destination for professionals seeking international career growth. Start your journey today and unlock unparalleled opportunities in one of Europe's most dynamic markets. Thanks for watching. See you again next video.